When it comes to major market stock index futures, the Dow 30 Industrials Index is the gold standard, providing a gateway to trade your view on the price and performance of 30 stocks that best represent the U.S. economy. E-mini Dow 30 futures are based on the Dow Jones Industrial Stock Index, which is viewed by many as a key barometer for the U.S. industrial and economic health. Made up of the most significant companies in the U.S., including Apple, Microsoft, United Health, Goldman Sachs, and others, as the index reflects all major sectors of the U.S. economy. And unlike other major market stock indexes, which are generally market cap weighted, the Dow index is price weighted, which means each component company impacts the index price in proportion to its stock price. Trading the E-mini Dow 30 futures has several significant benefits over trading individual stocks, options, or ETFs. Rather than managing volatility and risk across 30 different stock symbols, trading a stock index future helps to reduce the negative impact of a poor earnings report or price decline on one individual stock. You can easily go long or short without delays based on your view on where the market is headed. Unlike stocks, which require traders to have a minimum account balance of $25,000 to make more than just a few day trades per week, futures do not have a pattern day trading rule. This means you can take full advantage of daily trading opportunities as they arise. E-mini Dow futures trade virtually 24 hours, so you can react to unique trading opportunities even when the stock market is closed. Traded on the largest futures exchange in the world, the CME offers traders full price, order, and position transparency, safeguarding a fair and level playing field for everyone. E-mini Dow futures are traded in both a standard-sized E-mini and micro-sized contracts. Micro futures are 1/10 the size of the E-mini futures contract, which reduces both the cost to get started and can potentially help reduce overall financial risk. Micros are an ideal contract for new traders to build comfort and consistency before moving up to the standard E-mini contract size. And for more experienced traders, the micro contract provides more flexibility for trade sizing and market exposure, allowing you to easily scale into and out of multi-contract positions. As the key U.S. economy benchmark, the E-mini Dow 30 Index futures provide unique market access to trade your view on the performance for some of the most important companies in the world. Start your futures trading journey with NinjaTrader. We look forward to guiding you every step along the way.